Hi everyone, it's me, Bleau. So Halloween's this week. Are you excited? Because I'm excited. Today I'm going to show you how to make a scary treat that you can share with your friends. So we're going to make edible white chocolate raspberry eyeballs. Ooh. Let's get started. First you'll need white chocolate chips, raspberry jelly / jam, spherical molds, a bowl, microwavable bowl, strawberry drizzle, black gel, edible gel, little sticks, popsicle sticks, and spherical candy. The first step is to melt a bunch of your white chocolate chips in the microwave. Wait, am I? Oh, okay. You didn't see anything. I wasn't doing anything. Put an eyeball colored candy at the bottom of your mold. Fill up your mold with white chocolate. Get your candy sticks and dip them in your raspberry jam. Then put them in your white chocolate candy molds. After that, put them in your fridge and let them cool. Once they're cool, pop them out of their molds and use a strawberry drizzle to make veins. Use your black gel to create pupils on your eyes. And that's it! If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share these scary treats with all of your friends. Bye!
Now, my pet, I shall eat you.
Oh, these are actually really good.